What if I told you there's a smartphone so powerful, it makes DSLR cameras look outdated? A phone with a 500 megapixel camera, a processor faster than your laptop, and a battery that lasts for days. Well, hold on to your seats, because Nokia is back with a bang. Introducing the Nokia Lumia Max 2025 5G, the most insane smartphone of the year. Want to know more? Stick around till the end because in this video, we'll dive deep into its full specs, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia Lumia Max 2025 5G. Display. First up, the display, and oh boy, it's a beast. The Lumia Max 2025 packs a 6.89-inch 4K AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming, movies, and scrolling like a pro. Plus, it's got Corning Gorilla Glass Armor Plus for ultimate toughness, and an ultra-fast in-display fingerprint scanner. Say goodbye to lag and hello to premium smoothness. DSLR camera setup. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, the camera. Nokia has gone crazy, with a 500 megapixel primary sensor, that's higher than most DSLRs. And it doesn't stop there, you also get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 24 megapixel telephoto shooter, and a 12 megapixel macro cam, making this the ultimate photography machine. Oh, and selfie lovers, a 64 megapixel front camera is waiting to make your pics insta-famous. Performance. Under the hood, Nokia has stuffed the most powerful chipset ever, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This thing is a beast, handling 4K gaming, AI editing, and multitasking like a champ. And with Android 16 running the show, you're getting the fastest, smoothest experience possible. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't. The Lumia Max 2025 comes with an 8000mAh battery, that's 2-3 days of heavy use. And when you do need to charge, 125-watt hyper-charging juices it up in minutes. Plus, USB Type-C Gen 2 means super fast file transfers, no more waiting around. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much does this monster cost? Well, leaks suggest it'll be priced around $699, which is an absolute steal for these specs. And when can you get it? Just a few months away.